Hey guys, so check this out. This is just a fun video. My sister got me these teas because I'm a complete tea person for my birthday. But look, watch, Jersey's gonna smell it with me. How much you bet? Jersey, look, let's smell the tea. Come smell the tea. You want to smell this one, baby? Remember, we can smell this one. Hey, yeah. Let's smell this one. Is that not your favorite? I know which one. I know which one you like to smell. Let's smell this one. You like that? No, sniffy, sniffy. Yeah, so, see, everything I do, she wants to do too. It's so cute. Smell this. Like, what is that? I love you. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that because she's the cutest. But check out what my sister got me, like all these teas from Tivana. I love it. She knows I'm obsessed. Hershey's. In a basket. I love baskets. That's so cute. I didn't even know I love baskets until right now. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll make you a new video later, maybe too.